Are you in need of a quick make and only have 5 minutes? Come and join me for my 5 minute makes for Mondays. Hi there, it's Lynn. Welcome back to my channel. If you're after a quick card and some inspiration, stay tuned and I will share my make with you all today. This will be number 8 of my 5 minute makes for Mondays. Do go and check out my previous makes if you haven't done so already. So I'm starting with a 5x7 inch card base, and then next I've cut myself a piece of black card and I've cut this down. Now what did I cut it down to? 6 5/8 by 4 5/8. I want to just add some of my glue here along the back. Now when I say 5 minutes, it's 5 minutes or so. Don't forget the or so. It might be just a little bit over, but you get the idea. So I've put my glue on and I'm just going to line my piece of a black card on to my white base card. Next, I've got myself some double-sided tape. Just want to start popping some double-sided tape across my card. And then I'm going to just there put a little piece there. I'm going to peel one of my strips of tape. Then I've got myself one of my jars of glitter, sprinkle the green onto my double-sided tape, tap off the excess. Next, peel off the center one. This time I'm going to take my lovely pink, scatter across this center one, peel my last one off, take my lovely lemon one, sprinkle over the last piece of double-sided tape, and now I just want to pop some tape across the way. Second piece there, a third one just there, and again I'm just going to peel one of the tape, starting with the green. So tap off the excess and we'll get this one peeled off. Take the pink and curl it over. Take the yellow one and sprinkle that across like so. Tap off the excess. Okay, so I've just taken myself a little sentiment that says just to say. So I'm now inking this up with my Memento Espresso Truffle, and I'm just going to press this on there like so. I've got my Pritt stick, and what I'm going to do is just pop a little bit of glue along the edge. I'm going to bring my card in, and I'm literally going to just stick this onto my card. Line that up there. So next I've got this gorgeous 3D butterfly sticker. Peel this from the backing paper and just give it a little bit more lift. I want to pop some foam pads here at the back. I don't know where my bigger foam pads are. They seem to have gone for a walk somewhere or another. Pop those like that. So yeah, I'm trying to get my crafting done when it's nice and cool. So I'm going to peel the backs from the butterfly. 2 to go. I want to pop my little butterfly just where the glitter lines meet in the center. Line it up with the pink one like so, and that just lifts that a little bit. Okay, so just to finish off, all I want to do is just put the tiniest dab on my card, and I'm going to pop my little gems on. I'm just going to pop that there. Then I'm going with little pink one in the center. Pop that there. And my last one, yellow one, just there like so. So here we go. Here is my 5-minute make for Monday using glitters. Isn't that really, really pretty with the lovely lime green, the gorgeous fuchsia pink, and the luscious lemon glitter? Finished with a 3D butterfly and a little sentiment, and then I've added my lovely little lemon, pink and green gem on a jaunty ankle. It is a little while since I made a 5-minute make. If you haven't seen my 5-minute makes for Monday, do go and check those out. So yeah, if you like what you see, would you please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. So yeah, that's my 5-minute make using glitters for Monday. Thanks ever so much for joining me. I will be back again very soon. In the meantime, happy crafting, have a wonderful day, and see you all soon.